Hello everyone, today we are learning how to edit a photo in Adobe Lightroom. At this moment, you need to have an Adobe Lightroom software in your laptop or computer. I have already Adobe Lightroom software and I open it at this moment. Adobe Lightroom software is the best software for color correction, image coloration, and many other things you can do with Adobe Lightroom. Our session is have a animal image editing. At this moment, we found a cute animal image. First moment. You can see many images here, but our session is a beginner. This season, we are editing a cute animal image. This image we already did. You can see our previous video, and this image we already did. Okay, this image we already did. We need to find a new image. Okay, just stay with it. We're trying to find a new image. You can comment me which image you want to edit with me. And you can see a cute dog, cute cat. Here, the cute cat, baby cat, and this is a goat. There are many images you can see. We all image are covered in this photo editing beginner session. Okay, I see a horse. You can see. This is a wild image. I don't know this animal name. Okay, we are seeing all this image here, but we don't select any image. Okay, today we are editing this image. Okay, can you see? Today we are editing this image. This is a giraffe. Okay. Please like and comment what's your think, and share with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe. You can see the main image is so shadow, not clear. This image and its color correction not good. You can see not look like a good image, but the same image when you edit with Adobe Lightroom. You can see this is a cute image. You can see the color combination all everywhere and color correction clearance this image. Okay. Okay. What we can do with this image? The vibrance, first moving the vibrance and the situation slider are valuable tools for controlling color effect of these things. The following step will take of your words the details, contrast and colors of the griffith of the London Zoo. Oh, this is a London Zoo graphic. Okay, we change the main three features. First feature is your color, second light, third details. Okay, let's start it. Okay, crop the photography. The photography was taken and just the graphite image into the delay from the indoor colors, which is the background apparent the near black and studio light. Lately, I was at the right place at the right time. Okay, first crop the image. Then the editing option. Add more contrast. In the following step, you will get more brightness and contrast. While that's the same in the time intersect the darkness of the black background so the graphite stand out more. Okay, continue it. Then light expose it plus contrast expose it plus and shadows, light shadows plus it black, then continue it, then situation plus it, then vibrance plus it, then the aperture, the fine details, moving the textures line on the right, writing of the more texture details in animal here, or indeed in any fine details subject moving the textures line to the left and less something great portrait. Okay, continue it. To effect section and texture plus it, then continue it. Details where you can see the image are going to be changed. Okay, you can see in this. Okay, and details plus it, masking plus it, then continue it. You can see our image editing is done. You can see how everything look like so cute. You can see here. Okay, thank you for watching and tell us your think about this editing. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for staying with us.